Hey YouTubers, D-Doc here. Well, here we are, bright sunshiny day, 8th of December 2019, unseasonably warm weather. Supposed to get up right around 49-50 degrees this afternoon, and then tonight, next week, temperatures are going to dip back down into regular winter weather temperatures. So I thought this would be a good time to come outside and prepare my push lawnmower. Let's go see what it is. Oh, who can tell anymore? MTD. Model number 11A-02JX706. And used it a couple of times over the summer and fall, spring, summer, and fall. And it's got some gas in the tank. I want to take the tank off, drain that gas into that gas can over there, and then fire it up and run the gas out of the carburetor. Prepare it for winter storage over here in this portable shed I picked up. So let's get at it. I've already pushed the primer bulb a few times. I want to take that gas tank off, empty it out, and fire it up. See if we can run it out of gas. You can see over here on the handlebars, I've taken a tip from Musty One, used a spring clamp to hold the lever bar down, so it'll run when I fire it up. But let's get at this gas tank. I've already loosened up a 10mm mounting bolt here. We'll take it off. And as you can see, the other mount is broken, and I've got it zip tied. Works well enough to run the mower as long as I need to run it. See if I can finagle this tank out of this zip tie. Whoop, don't waste that gas, Doc. So I'm going to use this here handy, figure out how to use it. Handy little spring clamp I got, picked up after a little trip to Northern Tool. I'll reach down in here and clamp off the fuel line. You can see I've got a little bit more work here to take off the fuel line. Well, maybe I can do this a different way here. Take it off with the gas tank. proving to be a little bit more, fighting me a little bit more than I wanted to. So let's real quick get this carburetor cover off. Just a couple of nuts over here on the side. We'll bring the camera over so you can get a little better look at what I'm doing. Hold on there. Don't go away. Got a couple of nuts right here. One right there. We'll get this little shield off. Don't lose the 10mm socket. Okay, I can move this up enough. Take this hose right off the carburetor. Use my handy little clamps here to clamp off the gas line. Well, that ain't gonna work too awful good either, but we'll figure it out. Let's clamp off the gas line right here again. Get this little push clamp off. Success. I gotta try to I don't think that's gonna work too well. Have to go back and see if I can get it off the tank again. Here it comes. All right. There we go. Managed to save that good gas. This is not the ethanol gas, it's non-ethanol. It's all I use on my lawnmowers and stuff. See if we can hook this back up. Of course we can. Get our little pinch clamp back on there. Get that hook back up to the carburetor. Might be a little bit of gas left in the carburetor or in that hose, but not too much. Then we'll go ahead and put this little plate back on. Good lesson. Always start each bolt or nut before you tighten down one. Let's try this one again. Give them a quick little snugging down. Very nice. Get this gas tank mounted back on. Before I get that finalized down, I'll get this zip cord back on. Tighten up this last bolt. There we go. We'll remove all the hardware in a safe place. Not much left of the air cleaner, but I'll stick it back on. This piece has got to be glued on, but we'll just see if it'll set in place for now. Okay. Now we're going to fire this up, see if we can run that carburetor out of gas. Maybe, maybe not. Well, maybe it just don't have enough gas left in there to fire up. But we're going to try another little trick. We're still in frame there, kind of. I'm going to take this little syringe, get a little bit of gas out of this gas tank, gas can. And we'll dribble her down in the hole here. That's probably way too much. Give this another try. got it fired up. As you can see, I've got the little pinch clamp on the handlebar. We'll just let this thing run until it runs out of gas. Well, there we got it, folks. We have successfully run that carburetor out of gas. So now, hang on, it's going to get a little bit shaky. I'm going to push it over into this here portable shelter. And that is now successfully stowed away for the winter. I want to thank you all for watching and commenting my videos. Catch you on the next one. Might do a cold start somewhere in the future during the winter. Have some over the winter action. So thanks again. Have a good holiday season.